Have you ever peered into the miniature universe that exists beneath the lens of a microscope? It's a realm where beauty and horror often collide, a tiny world teeming with life, death, and everything in between. Today, we're going to explore this fascinating intersection of the beautiful and the terrifying. First, let's talk about the beauty. Microscopic worlds are filled with structures that are breathtaking in their complexity and design. Take, for instance, the intricate patterns of a diatom, a type of algae. Their silica shells, often adorned with symmetrical designs, resemble tiny works of art. Or consider the vibrant colors of bacteria, fungi, and protists, which can range from glowing greens to deep reds, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of life. These microorganisms showcase nature's artistry at its finest, revealing a world of wonder that's invisible to the naked eye. The biological processes occurring in these worlds are also beautiful. The way cells divide, the complex dance of molecules, and the interactions between different organisms. All of these can be incredibly elegant and efficient. But this tiny world isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It's also a place where horror lurks. The same microscope that reveals beauty also exposes the raw realities of life at a microscopic scale. Viruses, for example, are a constant threat. These parasitic entities invade cells, hijack their machinery, and replicate, often leading to the cell's destruction. The sight of a virus infecting a cell, or the aftermath of a viral attack, can be truly horrifying. Then there are the parasites, like amoebas and other protists, that can wreak havoc on larger organisms. They devour cells, multiply rapidly, and cause disease. Imagine seeing these creatures under the microscope, their forms and behaviors designed for survival at the expense of others. And let's not forget the sheer scale of death that occurs in this world. Cells are constantly dying, being broken down and recycled. Decay is a constant process, and the microscope often gives us a front-row seat to this gruesome reality. So what can we learn from this collision of beauty and horror? The microscopic world reminds us that life and death are intertwined, that beauty and terror can coexist. It challenges us to appreciate the wonders of the natural world, while also acknowledging its darker aspects. By studying this tiny world, we gain a deeper understanding of the processes that shape our own lives and the delicate balance of ecosystems. The next time you look through a microscope, remember that you're not just looking at cells and organisms. You're peering into a universe of both breathtaking beauty and chilling horror. It's a reminder that even in the smallest of spaces, there are vast complexities, constant change, and endless stories waiting to be discovered.